Lion Sight. Services for the blind and visually impaired. Graphic of a lion's head in black and white on a gray background.
Hey there, Keenan Fry from Lion Sight Services. I'm glad to be doing another video. It's been a little bit since the last one. Got something exciting to talk about. Over here, which I will show you guys in a minute and more in depth, I have a package from Oakmont. Now, Oakmont is Oakmont Visual Aids workshop, and they're out in Santa Rosa. They're up north in California, and they are a group of people who make visual aids for TVIs. Obviously, this is still sealed, so this is an unboxing video, which is kind of cool. I try to avoid doing unboxings for commercial products or things like that, particularly on the Lion Sight Services channel, mostly because I don't want this to be a gimmicky, sell you stuff. There's a lot of that kind of happens in the industry, and I'm not too happy with that. The TVI industry, that is. I'm not too happy with that, with the idea of selling you guys stuff. So anyway, with that stated and that kind of out of the way, my intentions for this is to kind of tell you about a valuable resource that is available to you. This was provided to me for free. I did make a donation to them of $100, and they sent me a really nice thank you card. I sent the donation in September, and I received this package late January, early February, so it's been sitting on my desk for like 6 weeks. I've been meaning to get to this. I just haven't had the chance. I'm excited to finally review this product. My professor at San Francisco State recommended that I seek out this particular organization, association, and get materials from them. I'm in Pat Leader's class, so if you're seeing this, maybe you've had Pat Leader as a professor, maybe not. She's the Braille instructor. She teaches a wonderful class in UEB and Nemeth. We're in the semester where we are dealing with Nemeth at this point in time, and it's some heavy lifting. And so Nemeth is interested in teaching math, obviously mathematical concepts, and the product that is in this box is going to be associated with teaching mathematical concepts to students like numeracy, constancy, object permanence, and there's going to be different ways that the materials describe these ideas. Last thing I will say is that if you reach out to the people at Oakmont, they will produce these materials for free for you. Okay, so again, I'm not in any way sponsored. This is just me going off. And the last thing I'll say is, if you do get the itch to order these materials, I'll put a link in the description to the order form, but I ask that you do send them a willing donation. I donated $100. You can donate more, you can donate less, whatever is within your ability, but donate what you can, because these materials are not free to produce. They will send them to you for free out of the kindness of their heart, but I do recommend you make a contribution to them, because obviously these materials do cost money. So with that said, we're going to get into the unboxing. Thank you for your time. I'm Keenan Fry. This is Lion Sight Services. See you next time.
Lion Sight. Regular updates on blind and visually impaired tutorials will be available for all kinds of topics. Thanks for watching.